Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Essential English Grammar. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Now move on the topic. This is the tenses, the structure of tenses. I already told you when I was completing when I will be completing these tenses at that time. After this I will be sharing structure of all the tenses. Today I will share structure of 12 tenses. If you don't know what is tenses, how it utilize, so please go on our playlist Essential English Grammar and see the video of tenses. So let's begin. Structure for the tenses. Present simple tense. This structure is you know very well what is the present simple tense, but I will just see you present continuous tense. This means is positive sentence of this structure. आप इस स्ट्रक्चर से पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं। ये स्ट्रक्चर आप यूज़ करोगे, जैसे यहाँ नोट है तो नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर बना पाओगे। और यहाँ जो है क्वेश्चन यानी आप किसी को क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे होते तो वो इस स्ट्रक्चर से बनता है। तो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज अबाउट दिस साइन बिकॉज इज इंटर रिलेटेड विथ. So hope you understand now. So I was telling you this sign about is interrelated with this. Now move on the present perfect tense. See the structure, this sign you are, if understand, this is a positive, this negative sentence structure, question mark structure. Now just you see, I will share with you this photograph of this copy, so don't worry about that. Now move on the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, it's easy. Now move on the past tense, simple past tense. You will familiar with that. If you don't familiar, you are familiar with that. There. If you don't familiar with tenses, please go our channel and see the video. This structure is verb structure, past tense, simple past tense. This structure is used for was where to be verb. Now move on this verb. You put the subject verb ed for positive. You use did not. Did जो होता है ना, did वो यूज होता है नेगेटिव के लिए। और देखिए क्वेश्चन में भी इसमें याद रखिए कि बेस फॉर्म लगेगी, यानी डिड यू गो। अब आप कहोगे डिड भी बोला है, गो भी बोला है, तो डिड यू गो इसीलिए बोला है कि गो डिड के साथ जो है ना वो बेस की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है। सो कीप इन माइंड योर एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज वेरी यूजफुल. If you don't know, please write down in your notebook and make us some sentences. If you have any query, please write down in comment box. Now move on the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, subject was where ing, not you put the not and sentence become a negative. Put was and our first subject in education. Question tense. Question जो आपने बनाना हो ना, प्लीज बी रिमेंबर दिस स्ट्रक्चर. So past perfect tense had I रहा, it's easy. Past perfect continuous tense had been ing, it's easy. I already taught you. I already taught you. So be careful. I share this structure because of you will be learning something new. You will be learning and something your career about something like this, like that. If you don't understand this structure, so how can you make the sentence about grammar and tenses? So that's why I say this structure. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you don't understand, please write down in comment box and join our Telegram group. The link is in the our channel on our channel about section. So otherwise I will share in the description. So if you go in the description and check the Telegram link, otherwise I share the Telegram link in the about section. So now move on the past perfect continuous tense. You understand? Now the last one is the future. What is the meaning of future? Future tense. It's future tense. These tenses are basic, not very hard. If you practice for 30 days, I already told you, if you practice for 30 days, just a simple one tense, you will be learning simple one tense. For example, first day you will learn future simple tense, second day future continuous tense, and third day, fourth day. So it's become easy because you are doing a practice for 30 days. 30 days plan is a very essential plan. If you don't have time, please make a time and prepare for English language, because English is necessary. If you don't have English, you lose something. So this is a future simple tense. Now move on the future continuous tense. It's easy. Now move on the future perfect tense. Please don't mind, this is a will subject, not have past participle, because I conclude that this will the negative interrogative sentence means it means this is a negative sentence structure. If you don't put not, this structure become a positive structure, like this. I'll be not put at here because this is a positive interrogative sentence and this is a negative interrogative sentence. You will be put not when you will make a negative sentence, otherwise you will don't put not. For example, am I late? For example, I can give a future perfect tense. Coming, will he not have come? Will he not have? Yeah, will he not have gone? Will ही नॉट हैव गॉन, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, ये भी एक बात समझ लीजिए। पास्ट पार्टिसिपल होता है वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म। पास्ट पार्टिसिपल किसको कहते हैं? वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म को। विल ही नॉट हैव गॉन, अब ये हुआ क्या? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस। विल ही हैव गॉन, ये होगा क्या? फ्यूचर में। विल ही हैव गॉन, पर ये क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस। यानी क्वेश्चन आप किसी से पूछ रहे हो, क्या वो ये काम करेगा, क्या नहीं करेगा, यानी ये बस यही है। डोंट बी कंफ्यूज अबाउट दैट नॉट, अदरवाइज you will be confused and take a break. So don't mind, don't worry about that. It's just negative. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is not much used, but I think this is necessary. Subject will have been and it's easy. Future perfect, future continuous, the combination of future perfect and future continuous tense, it's called future perfect continuous tense. If you one thing that if you see been is only on and only in continuous, future perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. Otherwise you will not see been, you will only see in present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense. There are three tenses. You will seen a been and ing. Just see, it's the basic, so don't mind about that. And I will be share this structure on our YouTube channel lastly in the video. So subscribe my channel, like the video, and if you have any query, please write down in comment box. Otherwise you will lose something if you don't ask, you don't get. आप पूछोगे नहीं तो आपको मिलेगा कुछ भी नहीं. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.